Hello. I felt like doing another unboxing today because I just received this package in the mail yesterday, and I've just been letting it sit there because at the moment during this week I've been doing gish wishes, the scavenger hunt. So I'm pretty busy like doing that for the next week until Sunday night. So I wouldn't have time to whatever, because the thing that could be in this package is either two things. It could either be this Sennheiser headset that I got with the microphone that I wanted to get to so I could do my kind of like when I play Dragon Age or any computer game, I could just like record myself talking and I don't need it, but I wanted it because I don't know, I just wanted it. And what else? It could either be that or something else, which is like a keyboard. It's like a small keyboard type of thing where I don't know what it's called. It's been a week or two since I bought it and I forgot what it's called. Something alpha something, I think. But it was basically, it's this thing. It has batteries, but the batteries last like a whole year or something. So you're not like confined to like a PowerPoint or anything like that. You just type it. It's like a typewriter, but it records what you type. So I wanted to grab it for like writing and stuff, so I could just like write on. I read like people really like it, and with when they have that thing, they write a lot because there's no distractions. There's no need to worry about PowerPoints and stuff. So I thought it'd be fun. I really thought that would be cool, like something smallish like a keyboard, and you just type and and you can transfer that typing stuff to your computer to edit it later. So two things that will change my life. But not really, but I thought it'd be cool to say that. But yeah, kind of like it would be fun. Two things that will enable me to do my hobbies like, a little bit differently. So it's probably either those two things. So I don't know which one, because the thing is, even if whatever one it is, like I wouldn't get to play with it much this week anyways. But still, I want to open it because it's kind of, because if I wait a little while longer, if there's another package arriving, it will just be either those two. So then there won't be the mystery of which one it is. So I'm gonna guess that it's the keyboard, although it's pretty big. I mean, okay, let me think. Keyboard. I was imagining the keyboard would have a smaller box. Is it the earphones? Okay, I'm gonna guess. Man, I can't even lean either way. I don't know which one it could be. I put my finger. Alright, I'm just gonna pick one. Let's say this is the earphones, because it's fairly heavy-ish. Okay, let's try it. Cut it open. It's funny because it's a win-win either way, because either thing I'll be really interested to see what it looks like and stuff. I think it's the keyboard. If it's the keyboard. Yes, it is the keyboard. Newspaper. Power cable. Oh no, to connect to the computer. That's cool. Awesome. Now I can tell you what it's called as well. Bubble wrap. Cool. It's called a Neo alphasmart. So I think I said alpha. Neo alphasmart. How cool is that? I like it. Love at first sight. Sometimes you just feel it's cool. So it's like that. It has a keyboard, a screen. So apparently you can show like just 4 lines of text or something. So there's no distractions and stuff. And yeah, apparently you're not having to worry about charging it all the time, and you're not tethered to a PowerPoint and stuff. So basically you just pull it out, turn it on, start typing. It's awesome. It's light. I mean, it's not too big. It's light. And apparently it's really sturdy as well. Like people like test it and like drop it from 3 feet up in the air, drop it onto the ground, and it's okay. I'm not gonna do it. It's part of me like I don't want to do that. I don't like the idea of that. But anyways, so now I have my Neo alphasmart. So maybe after Gish Wish's week is over, when I have more time and I start using it a bit, I might do another video just saying how much, if I like it and stuff. I'm sure I'll like it. But yeah, and yeah, it'll be fun. I'll be typing stories and stuff. Feels good. I like it. Anyways, I think that's all for my mystery unboxing video.